Hi everyone, we just moved into our new apartment and this is our master bathroom. As you can see, it has high ceilings and plain walls. My husband didn't want much in this bathroom, so I decided to go very simple. We stopped by Target to look at the shower curtains and bathroom accessories, and I will say they didn't have any classy options for the shower curtains. And because of the high ceilings, the high shower doors, as you can see right there, I wanted to cover that. And I definitely needed a long curtain. And I decided to go check out my favorite store where I had previously purchased long curtains. That store is called Didi's Discount. Definitely, it's like a Ross, but it's just definitely more cheap, affordable, cheap. Um, I got this can there. Um, these probably range about $15–20, and I only paid $9 for that. And then let me show you. When I went to Target, the hand soap, they had a brown one because I needed a brown one for the other bathroom. It was $12.99 just for the soap dispenser. Unfortunately, I wasn't planning on making a video. Removed the tag from this, but this was $5.99. $5.99 compared to a $12.99 at Target for a soap dispenser. Obviously, different style, different color, but the cheapest thing they had at Target, and it was plastic, and it was a toothbrush holder, was $6.99. I got this toothbrush holder, and I like this kind because it has a cap right here, the hole, you can remove it to clean it. And this one was $4.99. So I went with this silver soap dispenser and toothbrush holder because I wanted it to match the faucet, the towel holder, and the toilet paper holder. And that is the same reason why I went for the silver trash can. And also because it ties in with the gourmet, the curtain rings were also shiny silver. So these two rugs right here came together in a pair. It was a 2-pack. It was $12.99. It's funny because I had actually picked up exactly the same pair from a different aisle, and it was $15.99. So just make sure you check the price tags. You never know, you might actually find a better deal in the same store. These are not actually designed to be shower curtains. They're just designed to be long window curtains. And I'll show you here. These are actually 4 panels. For a pair of 2 it was $9.99. So for the set, I created a shower curtain for $20. $10 cheaper than Target, and I can choose the design I wanted, the color I wanted, because there's way more options in curtain panels than there are in shower curtains. The tension rod thing for the shower curtain, I also picked it up at Didi's. This one I actually had I've had it for like 5 years now, so there's a little damage to it. It was $6.99.